My name is Robin Goyal. I'm from district Bathinda, state Punjab. I've completed my bachelor's of commerce in 2016 and master's of commerce in 2021. My father is a businessman who deals in trading goods. Since last 30 years he's into this business which has fascinated me a lot. I always wanted to indulge into my father's business. After my graduation, I started working at MS Traders Bathinda, which is a renowned firm in my town. I got a lot of experience over there in the sales department. After that, I started pursuing my post graduation. Now, I do want to join my father's business, for which I need to learn some basic skills on the international level in the business. So I have chosen York University, in which I have shortlisted business administration course, which I feel can enhance all my skills and can inculcate all the things that would be required in my business. The educational quality and the educational level in the York University is outstanding, which will help me to flourish my father's business to the next level. Also, the ambience of the York University is outstanding for the international students who are living over there. The tuition fees of York University is quite reasonable, which I find to be pocket friendly for myself, and I can pay it easily. Also, the number of opportunities that a student gets after enrolling himself into such a prestigious university cannot be expressed in the words. As I have mentioned earlier, that I want to continue I want to involve myself into my father's business. I would like to come back to my home country as soon as possible after completing this course, so that I can take my father's business to the next level, also, which will help me to employ a lot of youngsters in my hometown into this industry, which has given us a lot of a raise. After completing this course at York University, I would like to have a certain amount of experience in some sort of MNCs, which will help me and guide me about the business skills that will be again beneficial in my father's business. I do want to present my father's business on a global platform so that I can raise his name and fame in the society. Thank you.